In this video, we will learn how to make profile private on Threads. So, let's get going. I have opened my Threads account. If you don't have one, simply install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android device, then register for an account. You must visit the App Store if you use an iPhone. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and additionally requires users to both have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. What you have to do is just to open your profile from the right bottom profile icon. Then go to the globe in the upper left corner. See, the first option is a private profile. If you press it, you will find the notification, just to assure you that if you want your profile to be private. As it is mentioned, only approved followers will be able to see and interact with your content. So if you are sure, press the OK button. Your profile is successfully private. Here you will see the other different options like mentions, muted, hidden words, blocked, etc., etc. If you come back, you can see the other options like editing the profile. If you want to, you can do it from here, and the other one is to share the profile. So, if you want to share your profile with anyone, can do it very easily. This was the very simplest way to private your profile on Threads. Hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.